wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 5 best cooking stone sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 5. If you don't want to force your guests or family members to share, the Black Rock steak is a good choice, as the bamboo board is about the same size as a standard dinner plate. This means everyone can get their own without the table feeling crowded. It doesn't require the use of oil, but it does lack accessories, and it's overpriced compared to others. At number 4, the Good Cooking Stone Complete SSD 598 is made from nearly indestructible volcanic basalt rock and includes an all-natural bamboo platter to place it on when serving, as well as a stainless steel liner that protects the wood from burning. It can also be used cold for cheese plates and includes 3 matching ramekins. However, it lacks a runoff channel for juices. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a versatile option, the nutrichef raclette PKGRST 54 features a stone and a traditional metal grill plate, underneath which are 4 dishes for melting cheese. It plugs into standard 110-volt sockets and has a 1200-watt electric heater. It includes a temperature control knob and skewers, and it can serve up to 8 people. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking stone sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're worried about your cooking surface cooling down before the meal is finished, consider the Artestia AR83004. It includes a rack of 2 risho, the latter of which can be used to keep the stone hot with the addition of gel chafing fuel. It includes a large grill plate and handles for easy lifting. It's a good choice for a couple. And taking the top spot on our list, the Artestia Deluxe AR88021 comes with 2 food-grade grilling stones, so you can heat them both and switch when one starts to cool down. They're crafted from high-density granite with a groove around the edge to catch juices. It's safe to cut directly on these, and the set includes 3 glass sauce bowls and a ceramic plate for side dishes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking stone sets, or simply click beneath this video.